Sanibonani. Ngicela usizo ngosangomeka guys. Tell him to stop posting my pictures saying I'm his girlfriend. I'm not his girlfriend. I don't even know him. I've never been to Mpumalanga. I'm staying in Pietermaritzburg. He should stop this nonsense. So what is he doing? I don't like it because he's stealing my... Every time I post a picture on Facebook, he steals it and posts it. Like yesterday, he posted my picture. I changed my profile picture and he posted it. I love you. Like, I don't even know him. I don't even know him. He's crazy. It's giving psycho vibes. So tell him to stop. What is it doing? If some of his family is listening to this video, please, I don't like to do what I'm about to do, because if I come to Mpumalanga, I won't come alone. I'll come with the cops and he'll be arrested because he is harassing me, and it's a crime what he's doing, because I keep telling him to stop it. This is the last warning, and he should stop lying. That's this guy that's helping me about him. He's not lying, he's telling the truth.